adventure lovers. Welcome to City Homestead Living. I'm Tammy, and remember that I told you that we had a bunch of upgrades happening here on the city farm. Well, today we are getting a new roof. So I am so excited to tell you what's been going on, and I would like to take you along with me and show you what is happening. First, before we go out and check out what the roofers are doing, let's go out and feed the animals. So I gave the chicken girls a bunch of scraps, and there's all kinds of stuff, arugula, some corn and beans and cabbage, and carrots and broccoli. Runner, you stay. You stay. You cannot come out. She likes to try to get out. She and Snow White always trying to get out. Alright, girls, enjoy your snacks. New roof going on the house today, guys. Wow, they have gotten almost all the roofing stripped off in like an hour and a half. Really fast. So today they are getting the vapor barrier down, and oh my goodness, it is so noisy. Can you hear the noise that's going on? Oh my gosh, it sounds like the roof is coming down. Let's go out and see what they're doing. Come on. Okay, got the paper on it, the whole thing, and that's the stuff that's going on the flat roofs. Well, they're not really flat, but the slightly less pitched roofs on the porches. Had some dry rot in this area, so they're having to replace the fascia board there. So that one is split where there was a knot, so that one's getting replaced also. Looking so good. I love the darker color. Very cool. This is day 4. Still got to get gutters. Very great. Hey everyone. This is day 4 of the roof on the house project, and they came yesterday. They got the drip edges on and one layer around, and then their compressor went out. And so they have back today with a gas-powered compressor, and they have been knocking it out. So I'm going to take you on and show you just what they've done so far. This is one of the boards. They haven't taken it out yet. That has to be replaced. It has a really big crack in it. It had a knot that fell out or something, or separated. So they've already taken the board out. It had dry rot. What was happening was the house had settled when we had a little earthquake, and it was sagged toward this corner here on the porch right there. And so the gutter was not flowing the way it was supposed to be flowing. It was backing up and going underneath right there. Here we go. The dark roof on the house looks fantastic. I am so happy with the way it looks. Looks awesome with the new stovepipe that comes through the roof. We just put in the wood stove this year. I have pictures of that, and I'll maybe share a few of those with you. And so we've had so many things happening this year. You remember we had the sewer line put in. And we're in the middle of a bathroom remodel as well. I'm sorry about all the traffic noise. See, 2-lane road that we moved into 30 years ago has become a freeway. So, okay guys, we finally have a completed roof. We have gutters and we have downspouts, and it all looks marvelous. Come on along with me. You can see all the gutters and downspouts, and it looks really, really nice with the darker roof. I'm very pleased with the looks. Okay guys, thank you for coming along with us on our journey. I greatly appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy our little homestead farm. Today's video where we have the new roof put on our house, this is something that we have needed to do in a while, and I want to make a little video to kind of encourage others to think outside the box when needing to get things done. We ended up with a no-interest loan in order to get these major things done on our property, and I will share a little bit of how we did that. Be sure to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you can know when we upload a new video. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Be blessed. Happy homestead adventures.